Hello class, today we're starting with a new lesson, but first let's remember that we're starting with our values, okay? The first value we are working in this unit, it's the value of respect, okay? Respect. We respect our friends, respect our teachers. So, the second value is fraternity, okay? Fraternity. So let's start with the explanation. Today we have the use of as long as. So this is a characteristic of some objects or animals as we are seeing in our unit number 2. So as long as means in Spanish. So you can see it. So look at this first example. Here we have an animal. What is this animal? It's a whale. Yes, it's a blue whale. The second animal, it's a shark. So, compare the two pictures, we can see that they are the same size. There's no difference, so we can say that the whale is as long as the shark. There is no difference. That's why we use is, the positive form. We use the positive form when there is no difference. Okay? Let's continue. Here we have an eel and a snake. So, notice that there's a big difference. We can say that the snake is longer than the eel. But what happens if I use the form as long as? We mentioned first the eel. Look, the eel isn't as long as the snake. So, there is a big difference. They are very different. So, we have to use the negative form. Remember that we use the negative when we have differences. And in the use of as long as, if we use this structure, we have to check that isn't is for the comparison of two animals or maybe objects that are different, okay? Look at another example. Here we have a seal, yes, and this is a squid. So, look at the two pictures. Yes, they are the same, they are equal size. So, we can say that the seal is as long as the squid. The seal is as long as the squid. The seal is as long as the squid. So they're equal. There is no difference. So that's why we use the positive form, affirmative form. Look at another example. Here we have an object. It's a boat. And here we have a train. The difference is very notorious. There is a notorious difference. So, if we mention first the boat and we use the structure as long as, we can say that the boat isn't as long as the train. We use the negative form because they are different. The boat isn't as long as the train. The boat isn't as long as the train. In the next part, we are going to see the use of the adjective big. You know what big means. So, in this case, we are going to use this adjective using as, big, as. Let's see if the next animals share the same characteristics. So, this is a hippopotamus. The hippopotamus is big. Here we have a rhino. The rhino is big too. They are big. So, if we use the structure as big as, we have to use the positive form. The hippopotamus is as big as the rhino. Why is? Because if we use this characteristic big, we notice they are equal. The hippopotamus is big, the rhino is big. So the conclusion is that the hippopotamus is big as the rhino. Now look at this lion. We know that lions are big. Against an elephant, we can say that the elephant is bigger. So using the structure as big as, we can say that the lion isn't as big as the elephant. The lion isn't as big as the elephant because there is a big difference. They are very different. So remember again, when you have a big difference or a difference, we use the negative form. Isn't. The lion isn't as big as the elephant. Look at this cute cow. Yes, it's a cow. The next animal, oh, it's a bull. So we have a cow and a bull. The cow is big and the bull is big too. So we can say that they are equal if we compare using the adjective big. So the conclusion is that the cow is as big as the bull. The cow is as big as the bull. Okay? The next part, we are going to analyze the use of the same structure, but in this case, we're going to change the adjectives. Well, the adjective here is fast. So we're going to talk about speed, some velocity. So look, here's the translation in Spanish, if you need it. Let's go to see an example. Look at this animal. This is a wonderful animal. It's a tiger. So you can say that tigers are fast. They are really fast. And in the other side we have an ostrich. This is an ostrich. It's really fast too. So if we compare these two animals, we can say that both are fast. And if we use the structure as fast as, we can say that they are equal in this ability. So the tiger is as fast as the ostrich. The tiger is equal to the ostrich according to this characteristic. So the tiger is as fast as the ostrich. Imagine that the tiger runs 50 kilometers per hour and the ostrich runs 50 kilometers per hour. So they are equal, they are the same. We can use the affirmative form. The tiger is as fast as the ostrich. Look, this is a dog. And dogs are fast. They are really fast. But in the other side, we have the fastest animal in the world. The cheetah is considered the fastest animal in the world. The fastest animal on land. So we say the dog is fast, the cheetah is fast, but the cheetah is faster than the dog. So our conclusion using the structure as fast as, we say that the dog isn't as fast as the cheetah. The dog isn't as fast as the cheetah. The dog is fast. Yes, it's fast. But the cheetah is faster. So that's all for today. I hope that I could have helped you with your sentences using these structures. Remember, we are working with comparison. Now, you can compare using your own examples, but don't forget to use the structure. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.